Meaning of handbill.
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 Handbill. A handbill is a printed advertisement or promotional material, usually distributed by hand. It can be in the form of a flyer, leaflet, or brochure. The purpose of a handbill is to convey information about a product, service, event, or promotion to potential customers or audiences. Handbills are commonly used for political campaigns, concerts, sales events, and other public announcements. They are often distributed on streets, in public places, or door-to-door. Handbills are an effective and affordable way to reach a large number of people quickly and directly.